7:30 p.m. I think, and this is downtown Thera, which is the capital of Santorini Island. So we are walking along the caldera.
So that, I think that's called a promontory, the center of that island there, and that's formed from this volcanic rock. Just debris from the explosion.
Outside of our hotel. And we're sitting out here eating this ice cream bar, so I got a little corner shop. Kind of nice down here. Yeah, these are really good. It's like chocolate within chocolate with almonds. Okay, we are getting ready to check out, but I wanted to do a quick video of our hotel here in Santorini. We only stayed here one night. It's like a quadruple room, but that's like a double bed, so it's super small. So I slept in this one. The beds are pretty comfy. Anyway, it's just very simple. It has these cute like blue doors. I'll show the outside. Or a blue door and blue window. Air conditioning, very important. It gets really cold, so that's nice. You have to put the card in there. This is a Villa Roussa. And then you have a place to put your luggage, a closet, which I didn't even look at. I guess there's more like coffee cup. Oh, there is a safe there. That's good to know. And then there's a little mini fridge, which is important. Oh, we got more water in there. One very important thing is to do not drink the tap water. It's non-potable here. So, but I did not take neither of us took a shower last night either, because I was afraid of getting water, the non-potable water in my mouth. You know, even if you're like not drinking it, it could like splash into your mouth or in your eyes. And then I don't want to get a waterborne illness from the Santorini water. So that's one thing. I don't think at any of the islands, you can't, on any of the Greek islands, you can't drink the water. So it's not just, it's not specific to Santorini. But yeah, this is our room. I mean, there's a lot of room in here. So if you're staying more than one night, it would, you know, it would be adequate. Hey, here we are at Perivor Beach. It's kind of a black sandy beach, like kind of a little bit rocky, but more sandy than other beaches apparently. Because it's black, it's really, really hot. So you gotta wear shoes. Mark is going into the water with my GoPro.
All right, here we are. The Aegean, South Aegean Sea. We got a cabana over there. There's Malori sitting there. There's me. Water is pretty chilly, around 70, but it's fairly clear. This is black volcanic sand beach. Several beaches like that stretching to the north to Roussa, but this is probably one of the better beaches with the finest black sand. Here we go.
ordered some food from the beach bar. And this is our little cabana inside. Costs 20 euros for the day, which is not bad. Didn't even have to reserve it. Here we are on our, gonna go on our private tour of Santorini and surrounding area.
This beach called Lihava.
Oh wow, that's cool. Yeah.
And because the water is very good, it's nice to swim here. So that's why we have so much people now. But you can relax here, you will not find so much people, you will not find loud people or loud music or something like that. It's very quiet, so you can stay there, read a book and relax.
That's nice.
And here you will find small beaches, small caves. So if you love like snorkeling, it's a very good area. So this is a volcano right here? Yeah. Big volcano, the last explosion is about 70 years. Okay. Very close. But the big explosion.
Mark's gonna go into the hot springs. Have fun!
Yeah. Alright, this is White Beach. Turquoise water. Sand is really nice. Close your eyes, go in. Yeah, because you're gonna hit bottom. There you go. Yeah, I gotta give it a couple minutes to warm up.
Are you filming?
Yeah. White Beach. Look at that. Wow.
Except I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see much.
It's really nice.